Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, in this review, we're going to be going over a new platform I came across. It's called the Team Build Club. Pretty much, it's a system where once you join, no matter whether it's free or paid, you could build your downline with with 200 people on your downline, okay? And then you could send any offer, any business opportunity you want to that list. Now, I'm in the back office right now, and as you can see, I joined only a few days ago, and 1,241 members joined after me. All right, and then I'm still a free member, but I could still, like I said, send any offers to my list. Okay, and here's what you get. You get the boot camp, business tools. You get attraction scripts, email scripts. You get different downloads. The promotion center where you could promote any of any of other business on this platform, besides getting the free leads. And then you get free tools. You get crypto education for free. Okay, and that's just some of the stuff that you do get. All right, and then training for paid members. You get that. Um, that's just for the paid members now. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my network. All right, and this is my sponsor and free downline details. Let's go here, and as you can see, it started loading up, and here's all the people that I have, and I could just simply start emailing those people. And then, like I said at the bottom, you can start advertising your business on this platform as well too. All right, now we're gonna go to a couple of other things here. Let's see. Go to the ad platform. You have your text ads. You have your banner ads. And if you're a free member, you could also buy credits as well too. And then they do have a support section. And then the amount of free members already is 18,287. Basic members is 674. The silver plan is 150 members. Gold, you have 505 people already. The platinum, 234 people. Diamond is 227 people. All right. Now, if you want to upgrade, you could upgrade here. All right. And then there's the different options. Basic, 25. Silver is $50. Gold is 100, and the platinum is 200 euros, and then the diamond is 500 euros. Right. Now let's go here, and then let's see, and go to the ad platform. We're going to go in the banner ads, and then you just go here, and then create ad, and then you could choose your image width. I usually go by the 468 by 60, and then just fill in the rest of the information here. All right. Now let's see. Let's go over profile here, and then withdraw. You do withdrawal settings. You could set up your payment method here. You could upgrade your membership, pull rewards, and then you could also write a testimonial. So let's go into upgrade membership, and then we just looked at that one. Let's see here. And bonus pools are, I believe, for the gold members and up too. So anyone who you personally refer, or anyone for that matter, even if you don't refer them, if they join like the gold members and up, I believe you do get a share of that earnings as well too. All right. Let's see. What else go over? All right. Now, if you are interested in joining for free, you can go ahead and click the link below. All right. And thank you for viewing my channel.